So one of the things that was like paramount in improving the overall thermal performance of this home was to do something with the glazing. Because it's such a big place, it's got so much glass, and especially here in the living room, it was really, we had to do something, you know. And way back when we started looking at this, we did get some pricing for replacement double glazing, and it was just astronomical. We just weren't going to devote that amount of resource, and also to trash like perfectly good joinery and glass, you know. So that's where the idea for ecoGlaze for secondary glazing came from. So how to figure out what we can do to make existing glazing effectively double glazed. And in this home there are lots of experiments along that way as we were developing ideas. And they still kind of work, you know, but some of them I'm glad we didn't go with. But eventually, you know, we developed ecoGlaze for that reason. And behind me, now you can see the real McCoy. So we kept the living room in reserve to install actual product that we could supply to everybody. So that's ecoGlaze. I think it looks especially great when it's colour matched with the existing. And the advantage of fitting this out with ecoGlaze, of course, is the cost, and you know, less material going to waste. So we're still using the same joinery. It's still just as good as it was all those years ago, and we've kept it, and we've just added the ecoGlaze components. So it's really made a massive difference to the overall thermal performance of our home at a very reasonable cost. So that's it. That's how ecoGlaze came about, and here it is.